Welcome to our YouTube channel Art and Crafts by Con Group Cooking Box. Today we are going to make yogurt at home. Take 1 liter milk and boil it. Now take another pot and put milk in it and left it for a while, so it get little cooler. Now put 3 spoons of ready-made yogurt and mix in it. And then cover it with another covering and put cloth on it so it remain hot. Keep it for 6 hours. Let's see our yogurt is ready. Thanks for watching.